Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia video, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you customize the look of your Wistia video player? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the look of your Wistia player anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is important, and with Wistia, you can customize the video player to match your branding colors. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and customize your Wistia video player, here on the left side, you're going to click on Content Library. To do that, you're going to see these four options here at the top, and you want to click on Media. Once you click on Media, you're going to see all your videos that you have in Wistia. So just scroll through until you find the video that you want to change the Wistia video player to. So for example, this one, and just click on the video. Once you do that, you're going to see the video, and you want to click here on Customize up here on the top left. Okay, once you click there, here on the left side, you're going to see another drop-down menu. And to customize the appearance of your Wistia video player, click here on Appearance and Brand. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and change the appearance. So first you can do the color style, you can do solid, or you can do gradient. I personally like the gradient. And here you can go ahead and choose from these formatted gradients. So you can see the colors changing on the video player. Down here, you can go ahead and change the corners of the video. So you can see it's kind of rounded right now. If you prefer more of a square video player, you can do that and just kind of play around with it. You can do a slightly rounded or a slightly square right here. Here, if you want, you can do the Wistia logo down here at the bottom. As you can see, it shows up down here, or you can go ahead and add your own logo. So just uncheck that one. Custom player branding. Here they give you the instructions. It must be a PNG with transparent background and going to be resized to 20% of the video's width. So you can just click right here and upload your logo. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to customize your Wistia video player, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.